Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Because like, comment and subscribe is free, so that you must help me just to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I won't tell you about Bitcoin VC Sima Capital debut with $200 million with 3 fund. The virtual frame, which was founded in 2021, is fronting decentralized social media, DAOs, DeFi metaverse, zero knowledge, proof and layer one solution. Sima Capital, a neo-future firm focused on early-stage blockchain projects, has launched its debut fund to support emerging digital asset companies and has received considerable backing in doing so. The Sima Capital Fund raised a combined $200 million from several high-profile crypto investors, including Dragon Valley Capital, Animoca Brands, and OKE. The company announced Wednesday the fund is set to deploy between $500,000 and $2 million in proceeds funding for crypto and blockchain focused companies at the at the intersection of customer projects, decentralized infrastructure, and futurist blockchain technology. In particular, SIMA has identified decentralized identity, decentralized social media, decentralized autonomous organization, blockchain gaming, metaverse, and decentralized finance as target area on the blockchain infrastructure said. The fund also plans to invest in Layer 1 and Layer 2 technology as well as projects focused on security and the development of zero-knowledge proof. Capital injected into early-stage companies will go uh, towards building early stage will go towards sharing and retaining talent, building communities, marketing and conducting technical research and development, Sima said. Mm. Founded in 2021 by crypto hedge fund investor Fida Gill, Hima Capital has recruited an executive team that includes the former head of DeFi at Ripple Labs, a former veteran partner at Alphasion Research, and the former head of talent at Autonomic FEC. Yeah. I guess maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe because I or we are always talking you about cryptocurrency. Well, see you